वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स इन योर केमिस्ट्री क्लास। डियर स्टूडेंट, हम स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम चैप्टर को यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं। इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव ट्राइड टू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटेड विद थॉमसन मॉडल ऑफ एन एटम। द मेजर डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ थॉमसन मॉडल ऑफ एटम वाज दैट दिस model was not have any experimental evidence. It was totally based upon assumption. Now, for giving the scientific assumption, there is another model given by Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford model of an atom को आज हम इस वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करेंगे।
Number 4, structure of atom. Dear students, today we are going to discuss Rutherford model of an atom. This model was given by Ernest Rutherford, which was interested in knowing how the electrons are arranged within an atom. Dear students, Rutherford designed an experiment for this. In this experiment, the fast moving alpha particles, it is represented like alpha, or we can say that 2He4. अगर आप हीलियम एटम में से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर निकालें तो ये अल्फा पार्टिकल कहलाएगा. And the alpha particles were made to fall in a thin gold foil. When the alpha particles were bombarded over a thin gold foil, he selected a gold foil because he wanted as thin as layer as possible. This gold foil was about 1000 atom thick. 1000 atom thick. Okay. Alpha particles are doubly charged particles. As you can see here, these are the doubly charged particle, He2+. Okay. Since they have a mass of 4U, the fast moving alpha particles have a considerable amount of energy. And dear students, it was expected that when these alpha particle bombarded over this gold foil, that it would be deflected by the subatomic particles in the gold atoms. These gold alpha particles will be deflected by the atom present in this gold foil. Since the alpha particles were much heavier than the proton, he did not expect to see large deflection. But after bombarding the alpha particles over the thin gold foil, he observed that. What observation Rutherford made? The observations he was made that if these are the atoms of gold and the center part is like this nucleus, which is the gold foil, okay, like this. These are some atoms of gold foil, and the alpha particles, which are doubly charged particles, when they are bombarded over here, some of the charged particles go straight like this, and some of the alpha particles were deflected by the foil through the small angle like this, okay, through the small angle. And surprisingly, one out of the every 12,000 particles appear to be rebound. 12,000 अल्फा पार्टिकल में से कोई एक अल्फा पार्टिकल ऐसा था जो डायरेक्ट सेंटर पे हिट किया और रिबाउंड होकर 180 डिग्री पे वापस आ गया. Okay, so this was the scattering of alpha particles, by a gold foil. This was the practical done by the Rutherford to understand how the electrons are distributed over the atom. And through this, he concluded that what the conclusion he did get from this experiment, the conclusion, the very first conclusion that the most of the space inside the atom is empty. Atom के अंदर बहुत सारा space ऐसा है जो empty है, because most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil without any deflection. Because बहुत सारे alpha particles ऐसे हैं जो सीधे चले गए हैं, और वो तभी possible है if the atom is empty. Okay, the second conclusion he derived from this scattering of alpha particle, that very few particles were deflected from their path. It indicates that the positive charge of the atom occupies a very little space, like here. And a very small fraction of alpha particle were deflected by 180 degree, like this. Okay, it indicates that all the positive charge and mass of the gold atom were concentrated. All positive charge is concentrated over a very small volume of within the atom. कि एटम का जितना भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो टोटल पॉजिटिव चार्ज एटम की कोर में, एटम के सेंटर में कंसंट्रेटेड है. So these were some observations and conclusion which were seen by the Rutherford in his experiment, and with the help of these conclusion he proposed the first nuclear model of an atom. Nuclear model of an atom, and this model was given by Ernest Rutherford. The name of this nuclear model of an atom because सबसे पहले रदरफोर्ड ने ही न्यूक्लियस के बारे में यहाँ पे हमें इंट्रोडक्शन किया था. In this model, as according to Rutherford, there is a positively charged and center in an atom which is called nucleus. एटम के सेंटर में एक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड स्फीयर होगा जिसे हम न्यूक्लियस कहेंगे. Okay. Nearly all the mass an atom resides in the nucleus. और जितना भी टोटल मास होगा एटम का वो सब इसी न्यूक्लियस पर कंटेन होगा. The second point will be the electrons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. These are some circular path in which negatively charged electron will revolve like this. Okay. And the third point, as according to nuclear model of an atom, the size of the nucleus is very small. The size of nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. The size of the atom. न्यूक्लियस का साइज एटम के साइज के कंपैरिजन में बहुत छोटा होगा. दिस इज द न्यूक्लियस. ओके, सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली कहा जाए तो द साइज ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, but dear students, this Rutherford model of the atom has some drawbacks. इस मॉडल के कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स भी रहे हैं. वो क्या क्या ड्रॉबैक्स हैं उनको यहाँ पर हम एक बार स्टडी करते हैं. The first drawback of this model was the revolution of the electron in a circular orbit is not expected to be stable. The revolution of the electron in a circular orbit is not expected to be stable. Why? Because the reason that any particle in a circular orbit would undergo acceleration. जितने भी चार्ज पार्टिकल हैं वो सब सर्कुलर मोशन में एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन करेंगे, और during acceleration charged particle would radiate energy, and when they start accelerated motion they will radiate their energy. It means when electrons revolve in its circular orbits, they will perform accelerated motion, and any charged particle which is doing accelerated motion, it will continuously emit its energy. और ये एनर्जी को emit करते करते एक टाइम वो आएगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस के अंदर यहाँ पर गिर जाएगा, and the whole concept of atom will be destroyed. If this was so, the atom should be highly unstable and hence matter would not be exist in the form. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेजर ड्रॉबैक ऑफ रदरफोर्ड मॉडल ऑफ एन एटम, जिसमें बताया गया कि अगर कोई भी चार्ज पार्टिकल सर्कुलर पाथ मूव करता है, so it will move towards a accelerated motion, and if there is a charge particle which is doing accelerated motion, it will radiates its energy, वो अपनी एनर्जी को रेडिएट करता है, और एक टाइम वो आएगा कि वो रेडिएट करते करते एक स्पाइरल वे में घूमकर फाइनली न्यूक्लियस के अंदर गिर जाएगा, एंड द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एटम विल बी destroyed and vanish. So this was all about Rutherford model of the atom, जिसमें उन्होंने अल्फा स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट के बारे में बताया, अल्फा पार्टिकल्स क्या होते हैं उसमें बताया, वहां से क्या क्या कंक्लूजन निकले, क्या न्यूक्लियर मॉडल ऑफ एन एटम होता है, उसके ड्रॉबैक्स क्या थे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस टॉपिक. थैंक यू सो मच.